A lot of Americans think Whistler real estate is too expensive, but they're missing a major factor that flips the numbers completely. If you're buying in US dollars, you're already getting a built-in discount, and it can be bigger than any price cut you ever negotiate. Let me show you exactly how it works. Right now, the US dollar is typically about 30 to 35% stronger than the Canadian dollar. That means if you see a Whistler condo listed at 1 million Canadian dollars, your actual cost in US dollars might be closer to 720,000. That's over 250,000 in savings, and it's not coming from the seller, the market, or negotiations. It's just the exchange rate. It's kind of like walking into a store and finding everything already marked 30% off just because of the currency in your wallet. That's what it's like buying Whistler real estate as a US buyer right now. And this advantage doesn't stop at the purchase price. It also applies to closing costs, strata fees, tourism Whistler dues, property taxes, and even renovation budgets if you're updating a property. Basically, every Canadian dollar you spend is automatically discounted, which can add up to serious long-term savings. But here's what's really interesting. In many cases, the exchange rate ends up having a bigger effect on your bottom line than whether the market is going up or down. I've had clients who pulled the trigger on a property not because the price dropped, but because the US dollar spiked that month. I've also seen people save tens of thousands of dollars just by timing their wire transfer at the right moment. And one day when you go to sell, the exchange rate can work in your favor again. If the US dollar is weaker when you convert your sale proceeds back to US funds, you could actually walk away with more money than what it looks like on paper in Canadian. That's something I've seen happen for more than a few long-term American clients. So if you're an American thinking about buying property in Whistler, don't overlook this. The exchange rate isn't just a technical detail, it's part of your ROI. And with the US dollar as strong as it is right now, this might be the best value play in North American real estate. If you want to run the numbers on a specific property or just see how the exchange rate would impact your budget, text me directly to my cell number in the description below and we can connect for a consult. I've helped a lot of US families make this timing work in their favor, and I'd be happy to help you do the same.